I was born 1 year after the abolishment of apartheid laws. My father passed away when he was 28. My grandfather passed away at 32. I am now currently 2 years, 3 years older than my grandfather. I'm a product of South Africa 3. If I can love it so much, then I know what I'm talking about. Here's my concern. This cannot be it. This cannot be the best that it is. I understand, and if it's up to us, when Kwekwe is raped by a principal of an unregistered school yet, the school was opened 4 months ago and the principal is already being accused of raping a child. When policemen, traffic department, every single person that gets a driver's license needs to pay 2.5 Jojo. Me, if I was Minister of Police, I don't want to lie to you. You know me, arrest everybody. Every single person that works in the department as a driving instructor, arrest everybody. So if you are incapable of fixing our land, please get out of the way. You are clogging the system. We need you out. We are asking, we are pleading with you. Be a nice child of God and allow other people to take their turn. Because of it's either you must create space for us or you must leave so that we can come in as the new generation. America is playing cricket now and rugby. When are we playing ice hockey and lacrosse and American football? That's how I would have ended this squabble between us and America, by being the sports rival. So what's their ideas? We've been raised by sports. Sports is the only place whereby a person with a high school diploma can become a CEO. Where's those positions? People are hungry. They say money buys everything. Buys friends, buys relationships, buys relatives. The only thing it doesn't buy is health. If somebody were telling us that in high school, what kind of a country are we today? Are we not worse off? If we are the wild south today, I would be in the south of hell. The only economic region in Africa is North Africa because of we couldn't do it. Couldn't pull through. If you're playing badly, you need to pray to God that your opponents play terrible. So what are we gonna do about playing better? That's the question. I'm asking South Africa to share this with their friends and their millionaire cousins. That guy, if you see South Africa being a 5-party country, not a 250 country, I understand. If you see us unionizing political parties, unionizing schools, students, nurses, policemen, relationships, Gogos and Mkulus, World Cup, every single sport. If you don't see us doing that, then we have a different vision of tomorrow.